Hi everyone, Kelly with Carb Solutions here, wanting to talk a little bit about the announcement with the GST HST holiday tax break. There's been some buzz on social media about this. I've had a few inquiries from clients on what this means, does it mean anything to them, and thought I'd put something together that's really just basic overview, just a guideline. This does not constitute tax advice. Um, Most of our clients are actually not impacted, for which I am very, very, very grateful. But just a quick little guideline here. So for those who don't know, the government announced a proposed measure to provide GST, HST relief on certain items beginning December 14th, 2024 through February 15th, 2025. What jumps out to me here, of course, is the certain items and it still says proposed. So I'm recording this December 5th. I checked down at the bottom of the website. It still says this last updated December 3rd. So this could still change. If COVID relief measures taught us anything, things could be announced. CRA formulate some rules around them, and then it's up to bookkeepers, accountants, business people to adjust and have to make it work. And in this case, actually, we can reach out to point of sale teams. I think they could really help on this one. Um, so when in doubt, do not rely on social media. Do not even rely on this video. Come to the CRA website and get your information from the latest, greatest there, please. So some of the items, it goes and lists what's available, what's not. I will put this website in the show notes at the bottom or in the comments at the bottom. And children's footwear, clothing. So what to do? If you have a business that sells some of these items, come to the site, check and see what's included and what is not. So sports clothing is, however, sports equipment and specific sports and recreational activities, so wetsuits, soccer cleats, bowling shoes, skates, but just because you wear it does not necessarily mean that it counts as clothing and would be subject to the relief. So do check every single item here if it's within your business's offering. If you're unsure, so something that could be different here, we've got the prepared foods, including sandwiches, salads. Oh, yeah, snacks, including chips, candy, baked goods, fruit-based snacks, granola bars. That is subject to the relief. Dietary supplements are not. So, what do you do if you've got a protein bar? Which one does that count for? Does it depend on how much protein is in it? You might want to go to CRA and request a ruling on that. We don't have a ton of time. You might not get a ruling ahead of time, but they can at least direct you on it probably will, it probably won't, and give you some guidance there. But request a ruling, and that way at least you've got something you can show that you've tried to be compliant with their policy. For sure, for sure, for sure, reach out to your point of sale provider if that software allows you to export your products with the tax codes, that would be really helpful. So then you export the products with the tax codes, let's say, well, you probably want to do it before December 13th. Um, Normal tax and just say regular tax codes as of December 9th if you want to do it Monday. Um, Save that as a CSV file. Usually they allow imports and exports off a CSV file. Then save that file as holiday relief file, and then make your changes there. You can then import that, hopefully. That would really save yourself a lot of headache and a lot of work and allows you to make the changes not live in the system. So I would highly recommend that if that's possible. Reach out to your POS point of sale team. They should know about this already, and hopefully they're already making plans for it. Also, reach out to your accountant, your bookkeeper, and just sort of say, hey, look, this is what's going on. This is what we're trying to do. Do you have any other advice on that? And they can also help you if you do need to reach out to CRA to get a ruling on products. they can probably help you there. Start that conversation early. Much better to work on it now than try and deal with it retroactively. Uh, Now, this announcement also doesn't, it talks about GST, HST relief, doesn't say anything about uh, provincial taxes. And of course, I'm in BC. So if you're in a province that only has GST, HST, so if there's no provincial sales tax or it's just the HST, this is fine. You can come in here and change the codes on the relevant products to a zero rated supply or a zero rated tax code. So that sounds easy. The problem is I'm in BC, and there's been no such announcement from the BC government. So it's not that there will be no tax on any of your booze. In fact, let's pretend we're a pub or a restaurant that sells alcohol as well as food. Okay, the meals, dine-in, takeout, delivery, that's very simple. Prepared foods, fine. Non-alcoholic drinks, no problem. Beer, malt beverages, tax relief. Wine, cider, sake, tax relief. Spirit coolers less than 7%, tax relief. Everything over that is going to be regular taxes. Also, your liquor taxes are all done um, provincially. So please, please, please reach out to whoever does your point of sale early. Try and get that solved. This could be a really hectic time. I mean, it's already a busy time for a lot of businesses, well, for everybody, but a lot of restaurants and pubs and things with people booking staff parties. So if you do have your staff party that very first weekend, pack your patience, and there will still be tax on your bill. It's just how much and on what line. Um, yeah, this, good luck, everyone.